Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Ford F-150 guys, generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the power outlet, kind of like the serial lighter socket in the dash, in the center panel guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll explain why it's important to test fuses and where to buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it will work as well. So we're going to go ahead and open the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator you have a fuse box. When you open it, you just face it that way. Before we continue, let me tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you see, you have different kinds of fuses, relays as well, those could be really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them at a really good price and quick shipping. If you come to the very last row right here guys, check this thing out, that row right here. If you come next to it, starting from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2, 3. That third fuse right here, that 20 amp fuse, that's the one for the power outlet in the dash guys, in the center, in the instrument panel right there guys. So that right here is the one that you need to check. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.